A Montessori playground is more than just a place to run and play, it's an extension of the learning environment, designed to encourage independence, creativity, and hands-on discovery. Playmart understands this philosophy and offers eco-friendly, durable playground equipment that perfectly complements Montessori principles. Their thoughtfully crafted play structures promote sensory exploration, problem-solving, and social interaction, all while ensuring safety and sustainability. From interactive play panels to climbing walls and nature-inspired designs, Playmart's products create opportunities for children to develop motor skills, confidence, and teamwork in a natural and engaging way. What sets Playmart apart? Their commitment to using recycled materials, creating long-lasting products, and designing equipment that fosters both physical and cognitive growth. Whether you're upgrading an existing playground or starting from scratch, Playmart offers customized solutions that transform outdoor spaces into inspiring, educational environments. Give children the freedom to explore, learn, and grow. Discover how Playmart can enhance your Montessori playground here.